So you can envision this as a middle layer to interact with all DeFi primitives and a convenience tool instead of building everything yourself. We have ranging from DEXs, lending protocols, vault protocols, yield protocols, leverage, and so forth. Should be made aware, all of this can be batched together into one transaction, and today we'll be building on top of Safe. So, yeah, with metadata, you can get APY, TVL, pools, logos, URLs, and so forth. And we have a dedicated Telegram chat for this workshop. So if you don't want to ask for assistance in person, you can also simply just ask inside of this group. All of the resources that are about to be shared will also be inside of this Telegram group. Just to reiterate the tools that we'll be using today, BotFather, which is Telegram's bot framework where you will generate an API key, Grammy, which is a simple SDK for interacting with the Telegram bot, Tenderly for transaction simulations, Safe for the smart account and transaction bundling, and finally, the Enso API for the DeFi execution. At the end of this, we will have a nearly fully production-grade product that you could release in prod that's fully non-custodial for DeFi interactions. The repo itself has all of the steps of kind of challenges. We recommend to start off with the metadata service so you can get used to the API itself, and then finally go to the executional side. Whenever you use this repository, we've already put in a Tenderly fork URL, so you don't need to worry about putting any private keys, any addresses to from addresses, and today we'll go directly from ETH to all the other positions. And what you only need to care about really is the enso.ts file, nothing else. Here's the resources, so the repository itself, the Swagger of our API, and also our docs. I'll leave this on the screen here, and we're here to help if you've got any questions. And at the end, since I'll just show it, this is where you will kind of get to. So you will be able to, let me show you, list all the projects that are available, 1 second, through Enso, all of the pools and positions that are available to this protocol, and all the APY related to this individual pool. You're also able to do individual routes into one DeFi position, and then you can also do more complex of bundling many routes into a DeFi protocol, different DeFi protocols. There's some extra challenges at the end of this repo, which are a bit more complex, and if people get to it, good job, where you're able to do lending, borrowing, yield, vaults, hedging your positions, all within one transaction. So if you get to that stage, definitely call us over and we can assist. So yeah, leave it over to you. Here's the repo, just clone it, set it up, and let us know if you need any help. Thanks.